Good evening, everyone! Welcome back! Waiting tayo ng... Waiting muna tayo in a few minutes. Waiting muna tayo, waiting. How are you guys doing? Good evening. Hindi ko masarado yung zipper ko sa likod, guys. Mahirap na wala kang kasama. Hindi ko masara. So, naka-long dress tayo today. Mahaba siya, guys. Pang party. It's for long dress. Yes. Good evening, everyone. Welcome back and welcome new viewers. I have banana. I have banana. Yeah, that's my favorite fruit. It's a banana, guys. Yeah, banana. Banana, it's good. It's a lot of benefits on your body. If you eat banana, Tarwin. How about you, Tarwin? You like banana? My back door. Yeah, I close. Sinara ko yung aking door kay gabi, guys. Shout out sa you. Shout out sa you to Tuart. Novean, Reski, shout out to you. Yeah. Anyway. Okay, good evening. How are you guys doing? Good evening, everyone. Welcome back and welcome new viewers. Hello, everyone. Sige, nood lang kayo. Good evening. You put the banana. You put the banana in your tummy, huh? Put the banana in your tummy. Ano raw? Maganda yung banana, guys. Sa mga nagda-diet. Maganda yung banana. Kaya sa mga nagda-diet dyan, maganda yan. Kaya habang nagda-diet kayo, pag nagugutom kayo, hindi nyo kailangan kumain ng tinapay. Banana lang kainin nyo. Shout out to Mark D. From Italy. Hi, thank you so much for watching, Mark D. Good evening to you. What time there? Yes, evening now here. It's 11. I think it's 11. 11:20. Oh, it's 11:50. It's already 12 a.m. now here in the Philippines. Mark D. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much, everyone. Good evening. I love you, I think. You love me, you think. So you mean you're not sure you love. You're not sure. You're not sure. You're not sure about your feeling. English here. Hello, everyone. Good evening. Hi. Sorry, hindi ko ma-read yung name mo kasi hindi English, hindi rin Filipino, ano yan, hindi rin Korean yung pagkakasulat. Yes, not sure. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, me too. I'm not sure. Okay. Di tayo sigurado sa feeling natin. Okay, sige. Hi! Let's party! Good evening, guys. How are you guys doing? Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Good evening. Yeah. Shout out to all my dear lovely viewers. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. I love you.